Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Angular pipes. Angular pipes are a vital feature in Angular that enables you to modify the presentation of values in your templates. They serve the purpose of formatting data to enhance its display in the user interface. For instance, if you have a date stored in a certain format in the backend, you can use the DatePipe to reformat it to a more user-friendly form for the front end. Similarly, you can utilize CurrencyPipe to format numerical data such as prices or currency values appropriately before showcasing them. Pipes offer a convenient way to manipulate data output efficiently in Angular applications. Angular's framework offers diverse built-in pipes for data transformation in its applications. These pipes include DatePipe for date formatting, UpperCasePipe for converting text to uppercase, LowerCasePipe for transforming text to lowercase, CurrencyPipe for currency formatting, DecimalPipe for formatting numbers with decimal places, and many more. For instance, in the provided example, a custom uppercase pipe is created to transform input text to uppercase using the transform method within the UpperCasePipe class. This example showcases how custom pipes can be developed in Angular to extend the functionality beyond the predefined built-in pipes. Chaining pipes in code allows for the sequential application of transformations to data. In the provided Python example, data from the birthday variable undergoes two transformations, first formatted as a date, then converted to uppercase. This chaining enables complex operations in a concise manner, enhancing code readability and efficiency. Such a practice proves useful in scenarios where multiple transformations are needed on the same data, streamlining the data processing pipeline. Custom pipes in Angular allow developers to create personalized transformations for data. In the provided example, a custom pipe named exponential is illustrated. This pipe takes a number and an exponent as input, then calculates the exponential value of the number based on the provided exponent. To create a custom pipe, you need to define a class that implements the pipe transform interface. Within this class, the transform method is implemented to perform the desired transformation. In the given code snippet, the transform method calculates and returns the value raised to the power of the provided exponent. Custom pipes can be utilized in Angular templates by their assigned name, exponential in this case, to implement the custom transformation logic. By incorporating custom pipes, developers can modularize and enhance the data transformation capabilities of their Angular applications beyond the functionality provided by built-in pipes. An Angular pipe is like a pipe in a plumbing system that filters and transforms water as it flows through. Just like how a pipe can adjust the temperature or pressure of water, an Angular pipe can modify data in a template before it is displayed. For example, if you have a list of numbers and you want to display only the even numbers, you can use a custom Angular pipe to filter out the odd numbers before displaying them on the screen. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, w.atg.world. Angular pipes are a powerful tool that allows us to transform and filter data directly in the template. These pipes are akin to a set of plumbing systems, filtering and transforming data flow before it reaches its final destination. In our example, we created a custom pipe called even filter pipe that filters out even numbers from an array of numbers. The transform method within the pipe uses the filter method to iterate over the input array and return only the numbers that are divisible by 2, i.e., the even numbers. To use this custom pipe in a component, we simply need to add it to the template using the pipe operator. In our app component, we have an array of numbers, and we apply the even filter pipe to it within an ng for loop that displays each filtered number in a list item. For a real-world scenario, imagine an e-commerce website displaying products where a custom pipe could be used to filter products based on their availability, price range, or category. This would provide a streamlined and organized display for users to easily find what they are looking for. In summary, Angular pipes are a handy feature that enhances the user experience by allowing us to manipulate data on the fly within the template, similar to how a pipe system manipulates the flow of water in a plumbing network. One real-world application of Angular pipes is in e-commerce websites. For example, in an online store, a CurrencyPipe can be used to format prices in different currencies based on the user's preferences. This provides a personalized experience to customers from different regions, making it easier for them to understand and compare prices. Another application of Angular pipes is in data visualization dashboards used in business intelligence tools. Custom pipes can be used to format and display large amounts of data in a readable and meaningful way. For instance, a pipe can be created to format dates in a specific format, or to convert numerical values into percentages for better representation on charts and graphs. Overall, Angular pipes play a crucial role in enhancing the user experience and making data more accessible and understandable in various industrial applications globally. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.